Okay, now we are going to test this code out, which we have just built to like using Selenium. So it's the same code that you see in the that is shared with you in PowerPoint. So what it is going to basically do is it's going to log into Facebook and send the credentials automatically. Click on open the browser, open the website, send the credentials, login, and then it's going to open a page. So this is basically a demo of what Selenium can do. See, basically you can use Selenium and Python this way. So let's see how this works. I've created the file called Udemy FB Selenium. Okay. So this is the same code. It opens the browser, it opens the website, it logs in automatically. There is no, I'm not doing anything, right? So it automatically started from there, goes to the Facebook website. Now it's going to also open up. Now if you see here, it has also opened a page here. Okay. So now that's the end of the demo here. So basically now when we close this, it comes out. So all the code is the same. So it's shared with you. So this is the power of Python and Selenium. So you can use it to test any website. You can use it for web scraping, anything you can use. So uh, this is the way Selenium works. So it is up to you. There is a lot of documentation in Selenium also for each of the languages. Selenium is used across by all languages, but there is an exclusive documentation for Python because it has got a lot of options. All of them cannot be covered in this session. This is basically to show you how to work and do web testing and web automation using Python and Selenium.